Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lilo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve down and bring it back up on the other side. Now top out to the sides and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve up and bring it down on an angle. And then a curve underneath and up. Now top in and let's draw a circle. And then a small circle inside on the left. And color the rest of the pupils in black. Now top on top of each eye and let's draw a curve going down for the eyebrows. Then let's bring it up from the center slightly and curve it back down to thicken them up. And that's it for the eyes. Next let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw a line down. And then let's curve it down to the center for the chin. Now top inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a large curve across. And then a small curve on both ends. Now top down and let's draw another curve underneath. And add 2 bumps inside at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now top up on both sides and let's draw a curve out and back in for the ears. Then inside, let's draw a curve down with a bump up at the bottom. Now top on top and let's draw the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down, curve it over to the left, and back up. Now we're going to add another piece on the left by bringing it down again, a small curve over, and curve it up. Now on the left, let's draw a wavy line out, and then underneath a curve down towards the ear. Now top over, and for the right side, let's draw a wavy line down. Now let's move up and let's draw the top of the head. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down to the ear. Now let's move back to the top and draw a long curve over to the left and back in. And that's it for the hair for now. First, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then a curve underneath for the top of her dress. Now let's curve it out and down for the sleeves. Next we're going to hop inside and we're going to draw the sides of the dress with 2 long curves down. And close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now top back up and let's finish off the sleeves by drawing a curve in on both sides. Now underneath each of the sleeves, let's draw the arms. Let's start with 2 curves down and in like this. Now for the inside line, let's draw a bump down. And then another bump, bringing it back up for the thumbs. Now let's draw the next finger by curving it down and back up. Then another smaller one next to it. A small curve up for the next finger. And then one more, bringing it back up. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move in and let's draw the pattern on the dress. Let's start on the left shoulder and let's draw a curve down, curve it up, and back out. Now let's hop down, and on the top left, let's draw a large curve. At the top, let's bring it in. Now for the next part of the leaf, let's curve it out and in, and one more curve to the edge. Now let's do the same thing at the bottom, but with larger curves. And then inside, let's draw a line across and another one underneath. Now let's move down and we're going to draw another leaf going towards the right side. Let's draw a curve in the opposite direction. Now at the top, let's curve it in and out, and then one more time. And then from the bottom, let's curve it in and out. Now in the center, let's draw a curve in and back out like this. Now let's add another large leaf on the bottom left corner. Let's start with a curve. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve in and out, a larger curve down, and then one more up and down. Now for the bottom corner, let's draw a curve up in the center and back down. Now let's add the last leaf on the bottom right. Let's draw a curve in and out, another one underneath, and a curve down. Then let's add a curve inside and bring it out. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the hair. Underneath each of the ears, let's draw a long curve all the way down to the arms. Now let's finish off the bottom of the hair by curving it in next to the thumbs. Now let's hop to the bottom and add the feet. Let's start with two small curves down on the left and on the right. And then connect them with a curve across underneath. Now underneath from the inside, let's draw an angle out and curve it back up for the big toes. And then add 4 more bumps for the rest of the toes. Now for the bottom of the sandal, let's draw a curve down underneath the pinky toes. And then curve it down and back up. And that's it for Lilo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!